Here's how to send a Google Calendar invite via Gmail. First of all, you need to open your Google Calendar. You can view your Google Calendar by week, day, month, or year. So add an event where you want it to take place. Let's do it on 14th January at 8 a.m. A new event box will open. You can create an event over here. For example, I have entered birthday party. To invite people, you can go ahead and tap on more options, then tap on add guest and invite people that you want to. Once you've selected, they'll be added to the guest list. Under guest permissions, you can customize what your guest can do, invite others, see the guest list, or modify the event. Once you're happy with the settings, click on save in the top right and then tap on send. This will create the event and send out a link via email. The person you sent it to will receive an invitation with all the event details and link to join the Google Meet. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.